Right, hello people. Just thought I'll finish this off with a little washer. Now I'm going to show you a little trick how I make these little washers from solid rubber. Okay, so this is what a new kit what I've bought that I use to sort of make off the rubber that's missing from the back of the laptop or underside of the laptop basically. So for example, this Acer, which I've already worked on, and on the next one I will promise I'll show you how I do this. That has been replaced, yes, in two parts because the piece is not long enough. That's been made off with one part. Look at that. It looks absolutely like a factory finish. Same here, and there's one on the lid as well. And you know, it's just absolutely brilliant to restore these basically, so that this laptop is not slipping on the desk. So that's what I've used. This type of kit. Picked it up off Amazon. It's a leather, some sort of a leather cutting bits basically. And there's various sizes and shapes you got here. You know, like these, and honestly, it's just absolutely amazing, right? And I'm not. This video is not about that, so I'm not gonna waffle on about the kit itself. Basically, I just want to make some of these. So, for example, on the circular, there's various sizes and shapes here. Basically, just give me 1 second, see who this is actually. Just give me 1 sec. Just let me get to the door. Right, okay. So sorry, I got interrupted for a second. So you see these are the punching sort of whatever, you know, the cutting bits basically. So watch how I do this. All right, it'll be nice enough for you to. Right, okay. So let's first of all find which is the right size. I think the next one up would be perfect. Yep, absolutely awesome. All right. So I'm going to get a vise, piece of wood. It's too difficult to sort of, well, you've got to put a lot of strength in to get this cut straight. So what I do, simple. These rubber, again, I bought them from Amazon. They're about 4 millimeter thick rubber. They come in various length and width basically. And what I'm going to do is, let's just find a nice spot where I can get a decent cut out. Probably stick to the original area. All right, okay, so now what I'm going to do is these freaking gloves, mate, absolutely. Oh. Right, what I will do now is I'm going to position, as you can see probably what I'm going to position this there, and then I'm going to get the vise, close the vise to cut it. But before doing so, I need to make sure that it's lined up properly and I'm not getting an unusual cut basically. Watch how smart this little kit is basically. It was about 16 quid from what I remember. So all I'm doing is just getting it centralized so that I'm going to get a nice circular cut out of this leather. Sorry, plastic. And that's straight enough. Look, that's nice and straight. All right, you don't want it in any sort of an angle. That's what it looks like. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, whoops, has it slipped out? No. What I'm going to do is just twist this. Still in its place, absolutely. And the reason why I'm using the wood is because that once it cuts through, if it's metal to metal, it'll damage the blade here basically. So having wood would actually give that extra bit of life on those bits basically. And you can hear it crumbling as soon as it sort of gets through the leather. I keep on saying leather, the plastic. You can hear it crumbling basically, so you know that it's done. Look at this. All right. Now let's poke this out. That's what I get. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the size of this. That's just no, that's too small. Next one up. Yep, that's brilliant. So this time, again, the wood goes back on. Any wood. It doesn't have to be a specific. Any wood. Wind this back. And then what I will do is I need to position this right in the center so it's looks professionally done. Let me just make sure that it's on the center. With the gloves being on the way, it's not helping, is it? Right, so because they're too. All right, yep, I think that's where we are. That should be. So I'll just push it down and mark it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start closing up the. Sadly, it fell off. The reason why I'm doing what I'm doing is I just don't want the Omni devices, the screw scuffing the entire thingy. So again, it needs to be flat, not in an angle. Make sure it's nice and flat and straight as if straight like that, not in like any type of orientation like this. Is straight, so you're going to get a straight, smooth cut in the center. And here we go. All right, has that moved? Not really, but okay. So let's start digging. Yep. Okay, I can see the wood crumbling, and there we are. Nice little washer. All right, that's going to go in here, and then into the Omni device, right? So you're not actually damaging the areas by over tightening it with the screw, because this will just do a good enough job, basically. There we go. All right, that's it. Brilliant. So all you do is just untighten it, lift it, put it to where you want to put it, and just fasten it back, and it's not moving anywhere. Look, it's not moving. There we go. So that's how you can protect the actual device itself. That's all. And love this kit. As I said, I've started using these kits to create a thingy, basically. Just hang on, guys. Just to make off these legs on the laptop. The rubber was about how much was it, rubber? I think it was about £9, and this kit was about 60, just under 16 quid. So I think that's a good deal. That's all. Yeah, that's it really. I thought I'll just quickly show you how to make a little washer for yourself if you needed to for the Omni device. You can buy these rubbers in various width and thickness. I think the smallest is 1.5 mil, and then it's 2 mil, 3 mil, 4 mil. And I chose the 4 mil because the leg on the laptops can be, a majority of them are up to 4 mil. So I thought I'll go with this and try it out, because this was a bit of a trial and error, hit and miss, if you know what I mean. So yep, that's all really. I thought I'll just show you something very quickly. Have a great weekend. It's Friday here in the UK. Stay well, stay safe with your family, and I'll catch up with you on the next video. Peace.